I'll show you a way on how you can import your photos from your iPhone into your computer. Now, there's a ton of ways you can go about this. You can upload it to Drive, you can send it to yourself on like a messaging app like WhatsApp and then download it from there. But all of those includes uploading the image and then downloading it from your computer, which could take a bit of time. But if you want that for the simplicity, it's no problem. But the thing that I want to propose to you is that you can use a lightning cable. You can plug it into your laptop. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna plug this in. And then the other end of my lightning cable is currently plugged into my laptop and or my PC. Now, once you have plugged that in, you can see on my laptop right now, there will be a photo that's gonna appear right now. Now, on here, you can see on the devices, it's gonna appear. Now, on here, you just want to go ahead and tap on it. Now, you can see right now the folder is empty, but you just want to give it a couple of seconds to load in because sometimes you can see now it just popped up. Now, on here, on your internal storage, you can see this is all of your album of all of your photo. You just want to go ahead and just copy all of this, for example, copy, and then just want to move it onto your computer as easy as that.